I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer.
Hello guys, you welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, another one again. So I'll be doing Ghanaian lines from the video you've already know, from the title. Okay guys, the last video I dropped, I told you that I work with natural hair almost every day. Yes, that is a truth. Okay guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how I made these Ghanaian lines. Guys, you will see how lovely it looked. One thing about this natural hair, you know, I've been working with them for almost 10 years now. I really like natural hair. One thing, if you know how to do it, it doesn't break. Even with the method I'm using, you can see I'm making the natural hair to be the third part to start these braids. Okay, so guys, I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. See how I'm doing it and try to get it right. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Guess what? I want you to drop your comment about this video in the comment section. Like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe at the end of this video and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. I will just let you watch this video. Stay tuned, please. Bye.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, orbit when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
So guys, we have gotten to the back of this hair, and guys, you know, you have to be very careful when you are making this side. It's so sensitive, so you have to be very careful as you are taking the hair. Please make sure you are weaving up to 2 to 3 times before adding the extension, and please do not pull on the natural hair so that it will not pull out. Okay, so guys, please watch this video to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share with your friends to watch, and also drop a comment for me. Okay, thank you so much. I'm loving this hairstyle. Honestly, I'm loving this. I like to work with natural hair always. Thank you so much guys for always coming to support me in this channel. I love you guys, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.
think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met. Yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they call crazy. Call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily. Keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing. Hearts racing when I'm with you, I'm just saying. Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. I've been chilling on the coast with my homegirl. The palm trees and the time moving slow, girl. Back to my place, hey, you can call it home, girl. Pina coladas on tap, we alone, girl. I want a piece of you, you want a piece of me. Ray-Bans on, gotta block out the heat. I love your smile too, I've never felt so free. Bring it on, girl, work that body here to me. And I know that summer only lasts 3 months. Yeah. We got the whole world, travel with me, girl. And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. So we can stop anytime you want. Cause we on the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. But I already found the one. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free.
Yes, I'm back again. If you've watched to this extent, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do you know what? You are my VIP. Thank you so much for my new viewers. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. So I'll be signing out from this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Thank you. You can see how lovely this hairstyle look on her. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.